Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaisa's Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet an ear saver. Super easy and very simple. Within 5 minutes you can crochet this project. So please keep watching. Let's start this project with the slip knot, and we are going to leave little long yarn to sew the buttons and also inside. Let's start this slip knot, and then we are going to chain 17. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 17. Now we are going to do into the second stitch, that is from the hook into the second stitch. Here we are going to do half double crochet, yarn over, inside the hook into this first loop, pull up the yarn, and you got 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through. This is the first stitch. Let's place the stitch mark over here. Yarn over into the second stitch, a double crochet, half double crochet, pull up the yarn, pull through 3. Let's do into each chain a half double crochet, 3, and this is our last stitch. Let's do one half double crochet. So the last one. Now we have here 16 half double crochets on this side. Now let's do 2 more half double crochets inside this same stitch. This is an increase. 1 and 2. Let's place here also a stitch marker. Okay, it's too tiny, it's okay. Now I'm going to do on the other side also half double crochets into each chain. So turn this project like this, yarn over. We don't want to put the stitch inside this point, into the next stitch, 1, 2. Into the last stitch we did 3 half double crochets, 1 for this side and 1 is an increase, 1 for the other side. So we have here 1 2 3 half double crochet stitches, and this is going to be the 4th one. Into this stitch we are going to do 2, into the space we are going to do 2 half double crochets, 1 and 2. Then we are moving to the second round. For that we don't want to do any slip stitch. Yarn over, insert the hook into the very first stitch of the previous round, pull up. This is going to be the first half double crochet. Here only we did the increase, so we will place the stitch marker into the previous stitch, and then we are moving to half double crochet stitches into each chain. 1, this was an increase stitch on the previous round, so there we are going to do 2 half double crochets. One and 2. Then into the each stitch we are going to do half double crochet. Now we have reached at the point where we did increase in the previous round. There, let's remove the stitch marker. We are going to do 2 half double crochets inside the same stitch, 1, 2, and we'll slip stitch into the next stitch. Chain 1. Let's snip off this yarn. Let's attach this button over here like this. So friends, I hope you all have enjoyed this tutorial. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.